Hello, in front of me I've got Microsoft Surface Duo. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. Firstly, let's go to Settings and enter Security. Now enter Screen Lock, and as you can see we've got 4 types of screen locks: none, swipe, pin and password. This is none. This is swipe. This is pin. And the last one, password. Let's select swipe again. And now let's pick fingerprint. Let's add fingerprint. And right now our sensor is right here. So let me just remove the glove and let's try it. And now let's use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.